Emma was a 16-year-old girl who had always dreamed of flying on an airplane. During her summer vacation, she and her father were finally going to visit London. They arrived at the airport early in the morning. The airport was full of travelers from different countries. Some people were checking in, others were carrying heavy luggage, and many were waiting patiently for their flights. Emma looked around with excitement because everything was new and fascinating. After checking in their bags, they went through the security checkpoint. Emma carefully placed her backpack on the conveyor belt and walked through the security scanner. Everything went smoothly, and soon they reached the departure gate. While waiting, Emma watched airplanes take off and land through the huge glass windows. She imagined how exciting it would feel to fly above the clouds for the first time. When Emma arrived, she gave the wallet to the receptionist and explained what had happened. A few moments later, a worried businessman named Mr. Robert Wilson rushed into the room with an anxious expression on his face. Mr. Wilson opened the wallet and checked everything carefully. The money, cards, and family photo were all there. A smile of relief spread across his face as he thanked Emma again and again. "I thought I had lost everything," he said. "Thank you for being so honest. Not everyone would have returned this wallet." Mr. Wilson offered Emma a generous reward, but she politely refused. She smiled and replied, "The wallet wasn't mine, so I couldn't keep anything from it. Helping someone is already enough for me." Before leaving, Emma said, "If you really want to thank me, promise that you will help another person whenever you get the chance." Mr. Wilson nodded and promised that he would never forget her kindness. A few weeks later, Emma received an unexpected email from Mr. Wilson. He owned a successful publishing company and had been impressed by her honesty. He invited her to join his company as a paid intern. Emma accepted the offer with excitement. She worked hard every day, learned valuable skills, and earned the respect of everyone in the office. Her confidence grew with every new challenge. After graduating from university, Mr. Wilson offered Emma a full-time job. As she signed the contract, she remembered the day she found the lost wallet. One honest decision had completely changed her future. From that day forward, Emma believed that honesty is one of the greatest qualities a person can have. Money may disappear, but trust, kindness, and a good reputation can open doors to opportunities that last a lifetime. Moral: honesty always finds its reward, even when you least expect it. Soon, the boarding announcement for Emma's flight was made. She and her father walked onto the airplane, found their seats, and fastened their seat belts. As the aircraft lifted into the sky, Emma looked out of the window at the tiny buildings below. She realized that traveling is not only about visiting new places, but also about following rules, staying alert, and helping others